Yo, what's up everybody, it's your tech man Mark here. Today we're diving into the world of affordable 4K TVs with the Insignia 55-inch Class F30 Series, model number NS-55F301NA25. This TV is grabbing attention with its crazy low price of just $229.99. But hold up, this deal won't last forever, so listen closely. Now you might be thinking, a 4K TV at this price? What's the catch? Well, that's what we're here to find out. We'll break down the features, performance, and value to see if this Insignia TV is worth your hard-earned cash. Stay tuned as we uncover all the details and help you decide if this budget 4K TV deserves a spot in your living room. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's see what others are saying. This Insignia TV has a solid average rating of 4 out of 5 stars from over 10,000 reviews. That's a good sign right off the bat. People seem to be pretty happy with it overall. Of course, every TV has its pros and cons, and we'll dig into those in a bit. But for now, just know that this TV has garnered a pretty positive response from a large number of users. So let's see what's behind those ratings and find out if this TV lives up to the hype. Alright, let's talk picture quality. This Insignia packs a 55-inch LED panel with 4K Ultra HD resolution. That means you're getting 4 times the detail of a standard 1080p TV. We're talking about crisp images, vibrant colors, and an immersive viewing experience. The LED backlighting delivers decent contrast levels, so blacks look reasonably deep, and whites pop nicely. Sure, it might not have the same level of black depth and contrast as those fancy OLED TVs, but hey, those cost a small fortune. For the price, the picture quality on this Insignia is pretty impressive. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just catching up on your favorite shows, this TV delivers a visually satisfying experience. Now, let's talk smarts. This Insignia TV comes equipped with Amazon's Fire TV platform built right in. That means you get access to a massive library of streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and tons more. Navigating through the Fire TV interface is a breeze with the included remote. You can also use your voice to search for content, control playback, and even control other compatible smart home devices. The Fire TV integration makes streaming content incredibly convenient and user-friendly. It's a major plus point for this TV, especially considering its budget-friendly price tag. Okay, let's break down the pros of this Insignia TV. First up, picture quality. For the price, you're getting an amazing 4K UHD experience. Movies and shows look sharp, colors are vibrant, and the overall viewing experience is great. Next, value for money. This TV is a steal for the price. You're getting a large 55-inch 4K TV with smart features for a fraction of what you'd pay for other brands. Finally, simplicity. The Fire TV interface is super easy to use. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll have no problem navigating the menus and finding what you want to watch. Overall, the Insignia 55-inch F30 series offers incredible value for money. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the not-so-great aspects. First off, the sound quality. Like many budget TVs, the speakers on this Insignia are just okay. They lack bass and honestly can sound a bit tinny, especially at higher volumes. A soundbar is definitely recommended for a better audio experience. Next, the remote. While it gets the job done, the remote feels a bit cheap and plasticky. The button placement could also be better. It's not a deal breaker, but it's noticeable. Finally, app limitations. While the Fire TV platform offers a wide selection of apps, it doesn't have as many options as some other smart TV platforms like Roku or Google TV. You might not find every single app you're looking for. Despite these drawbacks, the Insignia 55-inch F30 series still offers excellent value for its price, especially if you prioritize picture quality and smart features. So how does this Insignia TV compare to other TVs in the same price range? Well, you're not going to find many 55-inch 4K TVs with smart features for under $300. Most TVs in this price range are either smaller or lack smart features. While some competing models might offer slightly better sound quality or a more premium remote, the Insignia F30 series holds its own with its impressive picture quality and the convenience of Fire TV. If you're on a tight budget and don't want to compromise on screen size or 4K resolution, the Insignia 55-inch F30 series is a strong contender. So, who is this TV perfect for? It's a great option for budget-conscious buyers who want a large 4K TV with smart features. It's also a solid choice for casual viewers, students, or anyone looking for a secondary TV for their bedroom or guest room. However, if you're an audiophile or a serious gamer who demands the absolute best picture and sound quality, you might want to consider spending a bit more for a higher-end model. Overall, the Insignia 55-inch F30 series offers a compelling package for its price, making it an excellent value proposition for budget-minded consumers. Alright, let's wrap this up. The Insignia 55-inch F30 series is a solid budget 4K TV that delivers impressive picture quality and the convenience of Fire TV. It's not perfect with its average sound quality and somewhat basic remote. However, for the price, it's hard to beat. If you're looking for a great value 4K TV and don't mind making a few compromises, the Insignia 55-inch F30 series is definitely worth considering. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and comparisons. Peace out!